Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how I make my lunches with this turkey. I get the leanest turkey I can get. This is 99% fat free, and what I do is I cook it in a pan one at a time with my favorite seasoning, crushed red pepper, and then regular pepper, and then pink Himalayan sea salt. From there I'll chop it up, as you can see, just like it's ground beef or something. And I don't add any vegetables or anything to it. I just mix it up like this until it's cooked all the way through. And then 2 pounds of this usually gets me through about a week. So I just keep mixing it and stirring it until it's cooked through. And then of course when I eat it at work, I'm gonna microwave it to warm it up. And once I cook these, I'll freeze all of them except for like one, and then throughout the week I'll pull out one from the freezer, put it in the fridge so it's not frozen at lunchtime the next day. So I cook it all, I just put it in one of my containers, and then I'll measure out 5 ounces for each meal. And for my vegetables, I get the frozen bags of vegetables because they last way longer and they're so easy to make. They don't lose any nutrients. And then here you can see I have everything portioned out with my half a cup of rice, vegetables, and my pistachios. Thanks.